Hello, this is Victoria from Elite Prep Cerritos. In this video, we'll be discussing our college application workshop. When students apply to a college or university, the first step they make themselves appealing to the college or university is through an essay. Our college application workshop teaches students how to write a unique, memorable, and powerful college application essay. Until a compelling and refined personal essay is made, we provide tools for the students to calibrate, evaluate, and modify their essays. All college essay tutoring sessions are 1 hour long, one-on-one sessions. We recommend scheduling tutoring once a week to give students time to write, but also to keep them on track. Let's talk about what's included in the college application workshop. First, we help students choose their major and college. Second, we also help students with the necessary essays to apply for private colleges and UCs. Third, the workshop includes 25 total hours of one-on-one college essay tutoring. Students can finish 8 to 10 UC and private college essays all within 25 tutoring hours. Fourth, there is tutoring for additional essays required when applying to private universities. Lastly, our director, Mr. Lee, will look over preparation, correction, and submission of all applications. The tuition for this workshop is $3,500. If a student only needs college essay tutoring, you can buy the minimum of 25 hours of Elite Premier tutoring. Whenever students need help, they can schedule a one-on-one tutoring session for 1 hour. However, we deduct 2 hours from the Elite Premier tutoring hours bought for each session. With 25 hours of Elite Premier tutoring, students can do tutoring for other subjects if they need it.